Windiness and everything. But right here's the balt, looking fresh as fart. I know I haven't made a video in a while because there hasn't been much going on. Other than this has a little bit of a misfire and my engine light keeps coming on. And I'm guessing it's plugs because the under boost sometimes gets choppy. And right when I start it when it's cold, which I know is an E85 thing, but look, it'll stall. So I give it some gas before it warms up. So yeah, I know that's a thing, but it does misfire a little bit. It's not like a bad misfire, but I can tell under boost that something's gunked up, and I think I probably just need new plugs. So I figured this would be a video of changing the plugs. Check out that coolant level though. I mean temp. There we go. Alright, so we're good now. There hasn't been much going on with anything lately. I've just been working for my dad. I'm trying to get an access port for this. I haven't bought really anything for any of the cars. I'm pretty sure Hayden's getting a new car soon, so that should be a good video if we make a video out of that. And what was I gonna say? Oh, Cam is making a series on building his Z this winter, so we should have some things to post. And we actually also hit 400 subscribers, which is awesome, so thank you for that. We grew pretty fast that past couple months. We've gained, well, not fast compared to a lot of people, but for my channel or our channel, it's been pretty fast because we've gotten 100 subs the past month and a half, which is not bad at all. I'm very proud of that, so thank you for that. And now I'm going to take my coil packs out, check how bad my spark plugs are, and actually might be able to hear. Yeah, it just kind of breaks up, especially in first gear, but that's always kind of done that, but it's definitely breaking up more than it has. Now we got the pinch gap right here. We can make this gap. That'd be funny if I whacked the Corvette. Yeah, so I'm pulling this over here. So this is a very run-on clip, but I need to get this done, and I figured I should explain myself why we haven't been posting a lot, if anyone is actually concerned, but it didn't pop my hood. But yeah, I'm just gonna take my coil packs out, check how bad my spark plugs are looking, and then should be mint. No water falling. All right, so yeah. Oh, I forgot I had this intake. It's gonna. I didn't forget totally, but oh man. All right, so I might even have to unplug that or take that pipe off. So I'm gonna grab a 10 mil bolt for that coil pack. Take the coil packs out, and I'll just check them. I might be able to clean them because they have some wire brushes. I know you're not supposed to do that, or it's not as good. I should buy new ones, but I'll see how that runs, and I'll drive it. And if it drives like shit still, I will go and buy new ones. And if that doesn't resolve it, then something with my coil packs where it's a tune thing. So we'll see. But I'm gonna grab 10 and start working on this bad boy. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm going to focus on this bolt. It's wet, and it smells like I don't know what that smells like. It smells like burnt. Not burnt oil. It smells like burnt, like spark. The other ones aren't like that, so maybe that's the cylinder that's, or maybe I'm just stupid and that's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Alright, just stopped. I can't talk. Just stopped at the local hardware though. Look, the spark plug socket, because that's what your boy needs. Because I figured I had one, which we do, but they're all old style for the big plugs, V8 plugs, shit like that. Don't fit my little 4-banger, so had to go buy a 5/8 deep socket. By the way, if you're doing this, 5/8 deep socket, spark plug socket's what you need, because you won't get shit in there. Because I tried all my sockets, they don't fit. So just for future reference, Make sure you have one, so you don't have to run to town like me. And then hopefully I can get these out. I'll try cleaning them, take it for a drive, go get lunch. If everything's fine, then I'm fine. But if it's not, then I'll go stop at O'Reilly's and buy plugs, and then we will be fine. And then we'll be all set. So I'll be home in just a second. All right. Got the 1/4-inch fatty here. I'll put it on timeless, but I gotta start pulling these fucking pieces out. Oh my god, it just came out of me. I think we got it, to be honest with you. Coil packs are kind of annoying, to be honest with you as well. There it goes. Yeah, look. They look mint. They don't look burnt. They don't look gunked up. At least my... Come on, focus. There you go. They just smell like E85. Big time. I guess I'll just give them a polish. It still has a good these look brand new. Yeah, they're just AC Delco. Oh, I don't want to break this. Yeah, like, I don't know if it's just spark plug grease or what, but I'm gonna clean these up, put some more spark plug grease on them, and then I'll be right back. More of a truth. See if she starts. I mean, hopefully she does. She should. Driving clips. I didn't even do any of them because I don't want to get in trouble and because it is raining, so this thing is just spinning. But the good news is, as it hasn't broken up, no check engine light. I think it's because I shoved that air let off hose or whatever that goes to the intake. I don't know if that had anything to do with it, with it running a code or running weird. I idled a little odd in my driveway this morning, earlier, right after I did the plugs, or cleaned the plugs, I should say. But right now, it's driving fine. No problem so far. So far so good. So I'm just gonna end on that note of it's working now, and I'm happy. So I'll do more check updates. This will just be a quick video of cleaning the plugs, I guess, until any further notice is done and I find any more problems. But as of right now, we're good to go. So I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching, and should be more uploads coming soon. So.